Alright guys, so a little bit of an update on the Hudson pickup. The hood has been not a problem child, not a challenge, but it's had its own little set of difficulties. To get the motion that we want, we pretty much had to remake just about everything involving the hood assembly, hinges and stuff like that. The only thing that are really original are these right here. Right now, Justin's splicing up the fenders, figuring out the stroke of the struts, so we get the desired motion that we want. And then, yeah, it'll be a showstopper when this thing puts the hood up. Alright, the extended inner fender well has the cutout so that the strut can have proper stroke in there. Now we just gotta get started on the other side. Alright guys, we got the holes cut in the inner fenders for the struts. Everything's looking good. We're going to do some final tweaks to make sure we got clearance all the way around. And then we'll get back to them a little later, radius everything off, make it all look good. And we'll throw up some pictures when everything's all finalized and looking fresh.